Hi, I'm Michael Holland, the Director of Counseling and Social Work at Hinsdale South, and I'm very excited to welcome you to our Social Works Department virtual open house. We'll spend the next few minutes giving each social worker a chance to introduce themselves to you and share one unique aspect of social work services at Hinsdale South. So please enjoy your experience tonight, and we look forward to working with you soon.
Hi, I'm Mr. Martin, one of our school social workers here. This is my third year in the district. All students at Hinsdale South have an assigned social worker and access to individual and group social work supports. Students can find out who their social worker is by going to the Hinsdale South school homepage, hover your mouse over the Student Services drop-down menu, click on the Social Work tab, and find your respective social worker by graduation year or alpha split.
Hi, I'm Mr. Arroyo. You should know that when you access school social work services, our services are confidential, which means that we don't share our conversation with others in the building. So students, we meet with them for a variety of reasons, anything from serious mental health issues to minor discussions related to grades, relationships, or life stress. Often students will even refer to their friends or somebody they care about or worried about in their classes, and they can remain anonymous in those situations as well. So when you make a referral to school social workers, know that we really respect your privacy.
Exactly. And hi, I'm Mrs. Becker, and we support students both in special ed and regular education. We have an opportunity to work with students individually. We can make cell calls, we can meet in Zoom or Google Meet, and we also push into classes, and we're offering some groups this year. Again, it's important for you to find out who your child's assigned social worker would be, going to the home school and finding out our assignment via your child's counselor.
Hi, I'm Ms. Kokinas, and this is my 8th year at Hinsdale South. In addition to counseling services in the building, the social work team also can help you with referrals outside of the building. If you're interested in finding a counselor or any other supports for your family, please go to the Hinsdale South webpage and click on the link for community resources for families.
And I am Mr. Williams, and this is my 4th year in the district. So a key component of social work support is learning how to manage stress. So one way that we help students manage stress is by offering school counseling groups. So during these groups, students learn stress management and problem-solving techniques. So our department, we are excited. We are excited to offer groups. We are excited about the school year, and we are excited to help you achieve your goals.